Hello again, this is Megan with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be opening up the Brother ScanNCut, the SDX230DX. We figured an unboxing video would be great because the SDX230DX comes with all sorts of extra goodies, not to mention is it loaded with the Disney designs and stuff on the machine itself, and we're very excited about that. So let's get going. We do have two little tabs over here. If I flip it around so you can actually see it, it does give me a little warning right here on the front of the box, which is pretty nice. Kind of gives me a heads up of what I need to do before turning it on. Let's get to the good stuff. Maybe. All right. So, first off, what shows up is going to be our Getting Started guide. So if I take that out, it has the Getting Started guide, the Disney collection, and a quick reference guide and a whole bunch of stuff for the ScanNCut right here. So that's going to be the first thing you're going to want to look at when you get these guys. Whoop. Next part is going to be this little box here. Whoop. We open it up, very important, we need our power cord. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And now we get to the fun part. There we go. Right there is our beautiful new ScanNCut. Get the box out of there. It does give you a little warning of packaging and stuff like that. But what I love is they do have the Disney characters right there on the front for you. And just in general, it's just a really pretty machine. So, but that's not all that's in the box. It's not just the machine and how to do everything. It is going to be extra stuff along with it. So, of course, it's going to be coming with your mats. So this one here is going to be your standard mat. It comes with, oops, that one is your low tack, excuse me, your standard. And this is the part I'm the most excited about. It actually comes with the new Brother fabric mat. So the fabric mat is fantastic if you're planning on doing quilt squares or applique work or anything like that, because it is designed to actually hold on to the fabric. What they used to do is have this green tacky material that you can put on there and it would kind of permanently make one of your mats super high tack. This one instead, the fabric mat is designed for it, for the quilting blade that they made for it too. And so with the Autoblade and this mat here, it's like a dream come true when you cut that fabric. It is awesome. So the fact that you get 3 mats with this is super exciting because you don't have to pay for the extra mats to go nuts and play with some of the cool features on this machine. There are even more goodies inside of here though. Right here, we have a whole bunch of things put onto this cardboard. This cardboard here, let me bust them open. Get those out of the way first. All right, let's give that a shot. Whoops. Sometimes I feel more like the Hulk than Minnie. So this right here is going to be your vinyl Autoblade kit. So this is another newer thing from Brother. What a lot of people like to do is with this kit, they like to, or just in general, they like to make vinyl decals, stickers for your car, for water bottles, all that stuff. This right here is perfect for that. So you can kind of see it comes with the blade, some extra Disney designs and all of that. It is awesome. The next part we're gonna grab, it's gonna be this guy here. It is the universal pen holder. So if you are making like a big banner for a birthday party or something like that, you can actually put a marker or a pen in there to make the ScanNCut do the writing for you, because my handwriting isn't perfect all the time, and really make it big and wonderful and pop for you. Now, the last part is something, as a person that likes to make things extra blingy and extra, I'm super excited this comes with. This one is taped really good. Whew. Come here. Might have to borrow these scissors here. Sometimes you have to be smarter than the packaging. So this right here is a Rhinestone Trial Kit. So with the Brother ScanNCut, another cool thing that they've added to it is they do have the Rhinestone Kit. If you've ever seen a t-shirt that had all sorts of rhinestones and stuff on it, this is how you do that. And instead of having to buy a whole bunch of rhinestones and not sure quite what you're doing and get a little intimidated by it all, this machine actually comes with that kit to help you get started. There are tons of really good video tutorials on YouTube for it too, but they turn out really darling, especially if you have a little girl in your life or if you're like me and you just like to add some bling to whatever you're making. So this is an awesome kit that has a lot of value, and I'm so excited they put it in there. The last thing is going to be pretty standard. It is just iron-on applique contact sheet. So what this does is if you're doing applique work, it kind of makes it a little bit easier. It's kind of like Applique Wonder or something like that, so that when you do that applique work, it just ends up a little bit prettier. As you can see, they load the Brother ScanNCut SDX230DX with tons of extra accessories because you don't have to go ahead and purchase the Autoblade Kit. You don't have to purchase that extra mat. You don't have to purchase the Rhinestone Kit either. So right away, out of the box, you get a whole bunch of value from it. Then, not to mention, when it cuts, it is super quiet, it's like butter, and I have always been impressed with what it does. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you get to come check it out at one of our 4 stores.